Here's a great new feature that we're pleased to announce for Poppy products. One of the most common questions that we receive is how many quantities of rolls are required for a specific project. So what we've done to save you a little bit of time is added this helpful wallpaper calculator to every product on the Poppy website. You just click Wallpaper Calculator, enter in the wall dimensions in feet and inches, and the wall width in feet and inches. And if you just have one wall, you can hit Calculate Coverage. Instantly, you'll see how many rolls are needed, suggested overage rolls, and the total suggested rolls. Have another wall? No problem. Just click Add Wall. Put in those dimensions and click Calculate again. Instantly, it's updated. We've also built in some great functionality to where if you have an oversized wall or something that will not work with our standard rolls, you'll get a nice little alert. So for instance, one roll of this wallpaper is 24 feet. If we put in a wall dimension that's taller than 24 feet and calculate coverage, you get this nice little notification that's alerting you that that doesn't fit within our standard roll size, and you can easily click Request Custom Quote, which will generate an email where you can just fill out the customer information, such as your name, your phone number, and if you have an installation date or timeline, and any additional notes. You can see that your wall dimensions you've entered are saved, as well as the product information that you were inquiring about. The email to our sales team is already in there, so you can just finish the details, click send, and we'll return a quote to you. Another great part about this calculator is if you select a mural design, such as Horizon, this design has 4 panels that are 144 inches long or 12 feet on one roll. So you can go to the calculator, and if you select a wall height that is too tall for the standard panels and hit Calculate Coverage, again, it will alert you that a custom size is required, and you can easily click Request Custom Quote to send our sales team a message. It will have the wall dimensions that you entered, the product, and then we can accommodate you with a custom order. If your wall sizes are within, or wall heights are within a size that's covered by the standard panels on the roll, then the calculator will tell you how many rolls are needed and how many total panels that is, as well as the suggested overage and the total rolls. So not only does the calculator work with straight repeats and half drop repeats, but it works with mural repeats as well.